So poor old Emery the Hoover, the boy, he's broke. Look, that's come out. And it's not snapped, but you can't get it back in. So I'm going to show you how to repair him. We went on Amazon, got a new nozzle for 6 bullets. I ain't opened this yet, so hopefully they've sent us the right bin. Just type in Emery Hoover nozzle on Amazon. I think Adam's got to put a link up. Well, I've got to send him a link. But this is repairing with Adam and Val. Now by my reckoning, it's going to be just a screw on, screw off job. We hope. Because I don't do DIY, do I, Bev? Look at this, it's like a snake. The old one's all the best. Right, so here's the old, here's the new one. Look at this. You get, Emery's getting a new nose. It comes in really good packaging, as you can tell. Look for that. I've got a feeling, when I read about it on the internet, that this one you buy, look, the nozzle's narrow. Is it narrow? But it's longer, ever so slightly longer. And I would say this new one is probably about that much longer than the original. So this is where it gets really technical. Down here, love, down here. This is the difficult bit where we find if we've done it right or wrong. This is the bit that's, I think this is the actual broken bit, because you cannot screw that back in there. So watch this very carefully. You basically should just screw that onto there. There we go. It's a bit stiff, but it's on there. Look at that. Oh, that bit there, look. People always put it by that, that's why it gets weaker. I found all this out on the internet. I'm just going to plug him in and make sure he sucks. Ready? Let's see if he's sucking. I've got to be quiet though, because there's people in bed. Look at that! It's even got after suck. So that is how you repair an Emery Hoover. Go online, read about it, order it from Amazon, screw it into new Emery, good as new for 6 bullets. Fixing things have never been so easy. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe. Forgot to mention at the end of the video how to get rid of the old nozzle. Basically, all you have to do is just all you got to do, just put it in the bin.